In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Patreon tiers. If you want to update your membership options on Patreon, the process is pretty straightforward once you know where to look. This is useful if you want to adjust your tier details, refresh benefits, or make changes to how your memberships are presented to your audience. I'll walk you through the exact path inside your creator account so you can make those edits quickly and confidently. To get started, log in to your Patreon creator dashboard. Make sure you're entering the creator side of Patreon and not just viewing your public page, since the editing tools are only available from the dashboard. Once you're signed in, give yourself a moment to make sure everything has loaded properly and that you're on the main creator view. From there, go to Membership. This section is where Patreon organizes your membership setup, including the tiers you offer to supporters. If you're managing several parts of your creator page, this is the area where you'll be able to focus specifically on your patron options. Opening the membership section will take you to the place where your current tiers are listed and ready to manage. Next, tap Edit. This is the option you'll use when you want to change an existing Patreon tier. After selecting Edit, you can update the information for that tier as needed. Depending on what you're changing, this might include the tier name, description, benefits, pricing related details, or other membership information available in the editor. Take your time here and review everything carefully so your tier is clear, accurate, and appealing to potential patrons. As you make your updates, it's a good idea to double check the wording and make sure the benefits match what you actually plan to deliver. Clear descriptions help avoid confusion and make it easier for supporters to understand what they'll receive at each level. Even small edits can make your membership page look more polished and professional. Once you are done, hit save. This final step is important because your changes won't be applied until you save them. After saving, your updated tier information should reflect on your Patreon membership setup. If needed, you can always go back later and edit the tier again. And that's all it takes to edit Patreon tiers. Log into your creator dashboard, go to membership, tap edit, make your changes, and save when you're finished. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.